What if one day, everyone in the whole wide world decided to build a tower that could reach all the way up to the sky? A tower so tall it could poke the clouds. Well, a long, long time ago, that's exactly what people tried to do. After the Great Flood, everyone on Earth spoke the same language. They could all understand each other perfectly. They traveled to a flat land called Shinar and had a big idea. Let's build a city with a tower so high its top is in the heavens. They said, this will make us famous, and we won't be scattered all over the world. They got to work, making strong bricks and using sticky tar to hold them together. Higher and higher the tower grew, a giant finger pointing at the sky. They were very proud of what they were building all by themselves. God saw their huge tower and knew what was in their hearts. They weren't building it to be closer to Him. They were building it to show off how great and powerful they were. God loves it when we work together, but He doesn't like pride. He wants us to remember that He is the one who gives us our skills and strength. So, God decided it was time for a change. In a gentle and wondrous way, God gave the people different languages. Suddenly, a bricklayer couldn't understand the person handing him the bricks. A planner couldn't explain his next big idea. It was all a big, confusing jumble of sounds. Babel, Babel, Babel is all they heard, which is why the city was called Babel. Since they couldn't work together anymore, they stopped building the tower. The people then gathered into groups with others who spoke their new language and spread out to fill the whole earth, just as God had always planned. They discovered new places, formed new nations, and learned that true greatness doesn't come from building tall towers, but from having a heart that trusts in God. God loves humble hearts and wants us to rely on Him, not just ourselves. Like and follow for more stories that teach us God's ways.